We are at Niagara. We are going to Niagara Falls. This is the new entrance. This is how it is. You can see the American Falls. You can see the visitor center made of the mist. We are going in the boat ride and the observation tower. And this is my third time to the falls and third time to the boat. This is going to be
fun, more fun.
not a lot of fun to me, but
For me it is.
anyways, it's one of the beautiful waterfalls that we have in America as well as in the world. So it's definitely a very unique and good place to be and very lovely place to see. Let's go. It is chilly. The weather is okay. It's like 65 something, but the wind is high. We have 50 miles per hour, but it's sunny. That's the best thing. अब हम देख रहे हैं अमेरिकन फॉल्स. Now we are seeing American Falls. We are going to American Falls. దీన్ని ఎందుకు అమెరికన్ ఫాల్స్ అంటారు అంటే నాకు తెలియదు, కానీ ఇది బాగుంటుంది చూడడానికి. I will show you that now. ఇది ఫాల్స్ కాదు, but the river. And this is the river. Oh man, that's good. That's good. It's lovely. That's the bridge. You can go to other island. I believe that's a boat island something. And this is the American Falls. Not exactly. Other side. Yeah. That's the Canada. That's Canada. Excited?
Yo.
Excited. For the first time to the Maid of the Mist. Niagara Falls. Boat ride. నాకు మూడోసారి. For me it's the third time, so I'm a little not too anxious. And you are?
I can't express right now.
She is going to love it. Still feels like a first time, right?
Still feels like first time to hear.
Yeah. ఎనిమిదేళ్ళైనా మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ రావాలనిపించే ప్లేస్ అంట. నెక్స్ట్ టైం జంటగా రావాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం. And finally we are going to the Niagara Falls.